Take command of the road in the 2008 Nissan Titan. This four-door, six-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, skid plates, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.